Hey, today we're talking about the Portland 1750 PSI electric power washer. So I bought this thing to replace my gas powered pressure washer, which I think is somewhere around 3,900, 4,000 PSI, something like that, standard gas powered pressure washer. And I just got sick and tired of fixing that stupid thing. The carburetor on it would have to be rebuilt every year. The distribution manifold on it for the water pressure, it went out last year. All the O-rings busted out of it, and so it sprays water everywhere. It's a pain in the butt, rarely ever works. And I bought it brand new a couple years ago and maybe have gotten 10 uses out of it. And so when I use a pressure washer for, I don't need all that extra behind it. And that's where this thing comes in. And this thing is lightweight, small, and at 1700 PSI, it's more than enough to do what I'm doing with it, like cleaning my driveway, my patio, gutters, things of that nature. One of the reasons I bought this was for its compact, lightweight design. So when I'm dragging around the house, it's easy for me to get around. And the other thing that I liked about it was its adjustable nozzle. So with the nozzle, as you can see right here, all you gotta do is twist it for the different pressure that you want. So all the way to the right is a straight stream, all 1700 PSI, and all the way to the left is a light fan, and somewhere in between is good for cleaning. Another nice thing about this pressure washer is it comes with this cute little soap dispenser. So if you're washing your car, something like that, or you want to put out anti-algae on your brick before you pressure wash it off, something like that, this works really good. And it has a soft stream on it, so you don't have to worry about cutting into anything like car paint or something like that. The other nice thing about this is that it all stores on the pressure washer itself. So the hose goes right on the back, the cord's on the side. It's got a long cord. I'm not sure how long it is. I think it's 50 feet, but it's a really long cord, and the cord's got a circuit breaker built into it, so you don't have to worry about getting electrocuted or tripping your main breaker or anything like that. So overall, this thing's been really good. I've cleaned my tractor with it, cleaned the driveway. We got some good demonstration video of it cleaning off some concrete in my driveway. And overall, for the price, is a great little pressure washer. Alright guys, we need to talk about something serious. Zombie apocalypse. How is this thing going to fare in zombie apocalypse? Now I know, you're thinking right off the bat, how is a pressure washer going to benefit you in a zombie apocalypse? Yeah, if you're on top of a building, you could probably drop it on them, one-time use, but do you really want to spend the time bringing it all the way up to the top of the building? There's probably bricks up there anyways. So ultimately, probably not the number one thing you want to grab. The hammer we reviewed earlier, definitely something you want to grab. But this thing, if you have it, I had an idea. Like the water pump, you could potentially use this little thing to either A, spray vaccine on everyone once you develop it, because we all know that you're going to do that, or fill it up with gasoline and spray everyone down with that, then use a flamethrower to light the gas on fire, poof, right? So ultimately, this thing isn't really a zombie apocalypse weapon. You shouldn't really go out and buy this for the zombie apocalypse. But if you do have it and you got some gasoline, you could probably light a bunch of zombies on fire. So overall, not a high score. Going to give it a 1. You don't really need to grab this on the way out, but there is a use for it if you need it.
Hey everyone, just want to let you know I'm not affiliated with Harbor Freight and they're not sponsoring me yet. I'm just doing this because I love Harbor Freight and all their tools. I've had lots of great experiences with them and they're always helpful. The staff is really knowledgeable and it's really, for the most part, the best bang for your buck. So just want to make it clear, definitely not sponsored yet, Harbor Freight. Call me. And I hope y'all enjoy the videos.